How to connect CapCut to TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to connect CapCut to TikTok so you can easily export and share your video. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the CapCut app on your phone. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on new video or open the video project that you want to upload. And now here, once you have added the video, what you can do is simply edit and finalize the video. And here, once your video is ready, then what you can do is just tap on export button at the top right corner. And now here, after exporting the video, which will take several times, there you will see several sharing options. So here, just wait for some time for the video to export. So here, as you can see, you'll see several sharing options. So from here, you can simply swipe through the option, and there you can just tap on the button that says share on or share to TikTok. And here, once you do that, you'll be able to share this video directly to TikTok. And if your TikTok account isn't connected yet, then the app will ask you to log in and allow permission for CapCut to share videos. And here, once TikTok opens, you can add your caption, hashtag and privacy settings. And once you're done with it, you can just tap next and simply tap on post to upload the video to your TikTok account. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.